Draw with me, Tyler. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. I always appreciate all the love and support you guys give to us. As you can already tell, we'll be drawing the famous water challenge artist, Tyla. So let's jump right into the video and take our art to new levels. I can't seem to unpack the fact that 2023 is also coming to an end, which is why I want to dive into a topic that holds immense amounts of significance: the intersection of art and mental health. Art has long been recognized as a form of therapy. Whether it's painting, drawing, carpentry, puzzle making, you name it. The act of creating can provide an outlet for emotions that can be challenging to express verbally. To me, art and the creating aspect of it has definitely been a deal breaker for me, in a sense where it allows me to be my authentic self. So one can say the immediate benefits of engaging in art is it's stress relieving. Can anyone relate? Do any of you guys create to stabilize your mental health? Let me know down in the comments. When drawing the lines, tracing, drawing shapes and colors, we as creatives can convey complex feelings. From my experience, one of the immediate benefits of engaging in art is it's relaxing, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment and even purpose. So if you enjoy art or getting creative, I'd encourage anyone to engage in it as much as possible. Honestly, you guys, there is no universal standard for creativity or even artistic talent. Where art is considered, I believe it is appreciated and can vary widely among individuals. To me, art is what you feel and make of it. It is a form of personal experience and expression. So if art is something which helps you cope mentally on a day-to-day basis, go for it. You may just even unveil your innate artistic abilities, which can lead to self-discovery and overall well-being. So I really want you guys to remember, the joy of creating can be found in the act of itself, regardless of the perceived skill level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, the most important thing to me is to find a form of creative expression that brings you satisfaction, and which also allows you to communicate something meaningful to yourself and to others. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me drawing Tyla, and this video has helped someone rediscover themselves and see a different perspective on art other than its physical beauty. Hope you guys be safe out there going into the new year 2024. So bye, and see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.